bioplus hydrogen generating bottle. Let us see how to use this bottle. In the box, we will find the bottle, extra nozzle cap, an AA stick, an attachment pipe to use for hydrogen inhalation, a charging cable, and a warranty information letter. Procedure to follow before using the bottle. Before using, open the bottle from the bottom and remove the cap used to keep the plates from drying up. After, pour purified water into the bottle and shake it a few times. Dispose this water as it was used to clean the bottle for the first time. Now the bottle is ready to be used. Always only use purified water inside the bottle. You can press the button on the bottom once for 3 minutes hydrogen generation cycle. You can also press twice for the 10 minutes hydrogen generation cycle. Always make sure to drink immediately after hydrogen generation, once in the morning and 1 hour before every meal. Use the auto clean function once every week. Press and hold the button for about 3 seconds until green light turns on. When this mode is turned on, it stops automatically after 3 minutes. The cleaning mode generates ozone-rich water which can be used for disinfecting any surface or fruits and vegetables. We can use the AA stick provided in the box to increase pH and minerals. Let us see how to do that. Drop the stick inside the bottle and use the hydrogen generation cycle. With this, the pH will have increased up to 9. For hydrogen inhalation, you need to use separate cap provided in the box. After replacing the cap, attach the pipe to the cap and use it to inhale the hydrogen. Use the 10 minutes option for this function. When battery is low, the blue light while hydrogen generation will blink continuously. Red light indicates that it is charging. Green light indicates that it is fully charged. Contact us if you have any queries.